Welcome to the topic on a data binding and interpolation. In this session, we'll explore the concept of data binding and interpolation in Angular. Data binding is a powerful feature that allows you to establish a connection between your application's data and the user interface, enabling seamless synchronization and interaction. 1. Introduction to data binding. Data binding is the process of connecting data from your component's properties to the template and vice versa. It enables you to keep your user interface in sync with the underlying data, creating a dynamic and responsive user experience. 2. Interpolation. Interpolation is a type of data binding that allows you to embed expressions into your templates using double curly braces. The expressions are evaluated by Angular, and their results are dynamically displayed in the rendered template. 3. One-way data binding. One-way data binding allows you to bind data from the component's properties to the template or vice versa in a single direction. 3.1. Property binding. Property binding allows you to set the value of an HTML element's property to the value of a component's property. It is denoted by square brackets and is used for dynamic updates of element properties. 3.2. Event binding and binding allows you to respond to user interactions by executing methods in your component. It is denoted by parentheses and is used to handle events like button clicks, form submissions, and keystrokes. 4. Two-way data binding. Two-way data binding is a combination of property binding and event binding, allowing data to flow in both directions between the component and the template. It uses the modular syntax and simplifies the synchronization of data between form fields and component properties. 5. Understanding the data flow. Understanding the data flow in data binding is essential for building robust Angular applications. When data changes in the component, it is automatically updated in the template through interpolation or property binding. Similarly, when users interact with the template, the data is updated in the component through event binding or two-way data binding. 6. Benefits of data binding. Data binding simplifies and streamlines the development process by reducing the need for manual DOM manipulation. It enhances code readability, maintainability, and reusability, making it easier to build and maintain complex applications. Summary. Data binding and interpolation are essential features in Angular that enable seamless communication between your application's data and the user interface. By using interpolation, property binding, event binding, and two-way data binding, you can create interactive and dynamic web applications with ease.